Today we're unboxing a blue T7 controller from GameSir, and this is a wired controller that works on both Xbox and PC. And this is more of their budget line of controllers, so it's still good quality, but about half the price of their other controllers that they sell and I've checked out on this channel. So opening this up, we've got our controller, we've got a box with the cable, because this is a wired controller, and then we've got some documentation. So what we've got here is simply the manual and 1 month Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Be noted, Game Pass Ultimate here, this code is only usable on new accounts, so if you have Game Pass or if you've had it in the past, you cannot use it. And this controller is also fully customizable with the onboard software you can download on PC from GameSir, and the profile actually saves to the controller, so you can use that profile on the Xbox as well. So in here we have our cable. Now this is where the budget side of this controller comes in, because this is kind of a silicone covered controller. It gives the impression that it's not going to last forever. The more expensive GameSir controllers come with braided cables that feel like they're going to last a very long time. This does not feel the same, but considering this controller is about half the price and how easy it is to get more USB Type-C cables, I think you're not going to have an issue here, at this price point anyway. And here is the controller, and well protected with those little thumbstick protectors. I love that. And there is our lovely blue controller, and this thing looks sensationally good. I love the transparent look of it. Now you can get this in a couple of different colors, so you've got transparent blue and red, but then if you don't like the transparent look, it also has a variant which is white, and that is a solid white. So quite a good option for different preferences. Now let's have a listen to the clickiness of the buttons. So nothing spectacular, but also nothing bad. This controller is very nice to use, and I've been using it now for a full week and playing a lot of different games, especially a lot of Space Marines 2, and I've just been loving it. So very impressed with it. It doesn't have the back pedals that the more expensive GameSir controllers have, but for me, I don't use them. So yeah, I'm actually super happy with this thing, and the price is really, really good. And then going back to the only downside is indeed this USB cable. It is not bad, but the silicon just feels like it's come from the year 2000, and it does not feel like it's going to last a very long time. Now, because this is a GameSir controller, it fits in snugly, so this is the preferred cable you want to use with the controller. Another USB Type-C cable in this port might be more slack and easily pushed out, and as a result, of course, that could mess up some of your gameplay when you are playing. So do be noted that although you can definitely plug in another USB Type-C cable, it just doesn't fit as snug as the official ones that come with it, as they are designed with that big housing to snugly fit into your controller. But when it comes to the rest of this controller, the quality is excellent, and I've got really no other downsides. The USB cable is the only problem here, but then when you're talking about the price point of being about 30 to 40, depending on your region that you're coming from, it's cheap and it's good quality for that price. So yeah, I'm very, very impressed with this. I've checked out some of the higher end stuff from GameSir, and this is the first time checking out one so cheap, and I gotta say, yeah, it is surprisingly good. So I highly recommend this, and I'm impressed with it. And of course, it works with the software on PC, so you can customize it to your heart's content as well.